Make it, don't buy it. Pita chips. Great flavor. Put anything you want on them. Crisp them up. Serve them. So much better for you. You can use everything bagel spice. You can do whatever you want. You could use just avocado oil, salt and pepper. You could do parm. You can make any flavor pita crisp. You can make it in no time, half the price, so much better, so much crispier, so much more personal, and no garbage in it. So Stacy's, back off. We're making our own pita chips. Super crispy. Can you hear? Obviously great with tzatziki. I'm out of cucumber.
I actually did these with little butter and olive oil. Just cut your pitas up, lay them out like you make the tortilla chips that I've shown you. Then you're gonna just paint them all. You're gonna drop on, in this case, I just did a little salt and pepper and crushed red pepper. But like I said, you can put parm, everything bagel, any flavor you want. Just drop it on at this phase. You're gonna pop in the oven at 350 till they're crispy and done, and you're good to go. You just pull them out and look what you've got. Perfect crispy pita chips, not loaded with tons of extra chemicals. Dip it in your favorite hummus or eat them plain.
But, so crispy, so crunchy.